Have you ever wanted to hire someone from another country? If so, you may have heard of Deel. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that allows you to hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Deel and what it can offer you. What are the benefits of using Deel? There are many benefits to using Deel, including simplicity. Deel makes it easy to hire and pay employees from anywhere in the world. Compliance. Deel takes care of all the complex legal and compliance issues associated with hiring international employees. Cost-effectiveness. Deel's pricing is competitive and transparent. Security. Deel uses the latest security technologies to protect your data. How does Deel work? Deel works by acting as an employer of record in the countries where you want to hire employees. This means that Deel is responsible for all of the legal and administrative tasks associated with hiring and paying employees, such as payroll, taxes, and benefits. To use Deel, you simply create an account and provide information about the employees you want to hire. Deel will then set up the necessary legal and administrative paperwork and start processing payroll. What are the different Deel plans? Deel offers a variety of plans to meet the needs of different businesses. The most popular plans are Professional. This plan is for businesses that need to hire up to 20 employees. Enterprise. This plan is for businesses that need to hire more than 20 employees. How much does Deel cost? The cost of using Deel varies depending on the number of employees you hire and the country where they are located. However, Deel's pricing is generally competitive with other global payroll and HR platforms. Is Deel right for you? Deel is a great option for businesses that want to hire and pay employees from anywhere in the world. Deel is easy to use, compliant, cost-effective, and secure. If you're considering using Deel, I recommend taking a look at their website or contacting their sales team for more information. Additional tips for using Deel. Be sure to understand the legal and tax requirements in the countries where you want to hire employees. Make sure you have a clear understanding of Deel's pricing before you sign up. Take advantage of Deel's customer support team. Deel is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes hire and pay employees from anywhere in the world. If you're looking for a simple, compliant, and cost-effective way to manage your global workforce, Deel is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope this video script is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.